Hello and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 27th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. I'm going to move on to cable now, and the cable chart has just broken higher in the last few days. I've just quickly stuck a Fibonacci projection on it from the breakout, and that gives us a 100% target of around 53.40. So that's interesting because it sort of is still suggesting now, or is now suggesting that we're going to be testing these sort of the next real resistance band. Having broken sort of clean of 51 figure, you're now sort of up into this resistance band from here, sort of around 53 figure area. Seem to be the area, and sort of 53.40 sort of seems to be the upside target. So that's where a couple of a bit of a confluence of indicators are telling us we're going. And looking at the momentum indicators, it certainly are sort of backing up the breakout. Stochastics are positive now. MACD lines sort of just beginning to turn positive, and the RSI is of above 60, so it's fairly reasonable in terms of the outlook. And certainly having, so if I just remove that, you can see it more clearly. Having broken clean now of that resistance at 50 figure, it seems as though certainly Friday's big strong candle was a very bullish move, and it seems as though this is the breakout is being held on to. This is the hourly chart, and you can see the sequence of higher lows in place. This was that sort of flag consolidation pattern that we got to the upside. Momentum indicators are pretty much on the hourly chart are positive. You got the RSI that continues to sort of find lows around the 30-40 area and push into overbought, so that's positive. MACD lines above neutral, that's positive. Although just in the last sort of couple of hours, the stochastics have fallen off because the just a minor correction. But I would see this as a probably bringing back to a chance to buy now on cable. I think anything around that 50-50 sort of breakout area, so that resistance, those resistance area that we saw middle of last week, anything sort of back to that and back towards sort of 50-80, so a bit sort of maybe 30 pips worth of support there that you've got to hold up this correction if you do see one taking off. But I think I'm fairly positive now near to medium term on this cable chart, having broken clear of that big resistance band. Now the big breakout would only come on a move above 55.50, which is the real positive move, because that would be a break of the key reaction high, or the latest key reaction high, which was that March high. And until you see that, I don't think you can really say that the bulls are in medium-term control. Certainly also below the 144-day moving average. So there's what we're seeing is a near to medium-term continuation of this rally, but exactly how far it goes remains to be seen. The upside target, or the breakout target, is 53.40. And we could see that, but certainly at the moment today is slightly lower, but I don't necessarily think that will last, because it certainly looks fairly positive to the upside. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.